It's your one and your Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. Wait, it ain't no more breathing. No reason, just got my reading, and my reasons. I'm booked out the region. This jury call 'em.
Gotta play it cool. Got the jetty, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. This be pressed like who you? I get whatever I like. This won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got too many for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when you type.
Hey y'all, welcome to my weekend reset. I feel like resetting for the week is just so important, like to have a fresh week and just to clear your mind, because once you have everything done, the week is gonna go by fast and you have nothing to worry about. So I feel like resetting for the week is just very important. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe.
Nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That waving with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just change this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not it. Ain't a home when you're not it. Hard to grow when you're not it. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. It ain't no fear in you. I ain't too scared to shoot. But I got a man at home, and we like family too. But I got needs and wants. What's my attitude? What's my self-control? Wanna take care of you, and just for the night, yeah, just for the night. Don't wanna lose all that I have. You could be amused and help me catch, but I just need you to come break my back. If you wanna attack it, it's just that, that's just life. I'ma be real, you just my type. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. I can't stop moving, 'cause I know it could be good. You never feel the same. Could be thinking about it every day. Don't believe in fairy tales, but we got our fantasies.
Alright, so I just got finished like cleaning my room basically. This face mask is pretty much almost ready to come off, if not ready. Like it's peeling around. Some parts are still wet, but I think we're gonna go ahead and just take it off, because like my face is so stiff I can't even move it. But I think I'm gonna go in the bathroom. I'm about to go clean my bathroom next. So yeah, the part that I love about this face mask is like it doesn't hurt when it's coming off. Like other peel off masks that I use, they like hurt so bad trying to peel it off. But this one, it's like not hard to peel off, and it doesn't hurt at all, and it just makes my skin feel so refreshing. I was gonna do a clay mask, but I can't even find it. I think my mom threw it away. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm actually about to go in my bathroom and just clean my bathroom and everything, because I don't know, I just feel like it just needs clean. So I just went ahead and took my face mask off. Next, I'm gonna go in the bathroom and just wipe over my face because some parts were still wet, so they didn't really come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe over my face and then clean the bathroom.
Turning me up in the sheets, and you on top of me, acting like it's nothing deep, boy, you can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be, really feels it's bound to be. I can't tell no one but hey, I know I want you. I can remember I want you. It's just me, it's just you, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my pussy. I don't know what to do, but I just wanna get with you and you're right. You're right, got like you, but I can't help it, I want you. Say you right.
So I actually just got done like cleaning the bathroom and everything, and then I had just washed my face because it was like still excess face mask on my face from when I did it. So I just went ahead and washed that off my face and everything just to refresh and renew my face. First thing that I'm going to go ahead and use is this bio oil. Hold up, can y'all see? Okay, yeah. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I'm not gonna do a lot because like I said, in a few hours I am heading to the gym and I don't want to just sweat it all off, and it'll probably make me sweat more, so that just wouldn't make sense to put a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and use some Aquaphor. I'm just gonna put this on my face and on my lips. Like I said, I'm not gonna use a lot of this either because there's really no point for real. Alright, and I actually did my hair yesterday. If y'all did not go watch that short, go watch it because I just feel like it was so cute. Does it look fine? I guess. Let me actually show y'all the little style that I did because I feel like it came out so cute. Okay, yep, hair is real tea. Came out super cute. Gym, because it's like, I don't know, I think I'm gonna wash my hair and like take this out and then redo it once I wash my hair, because my hair was just like not washed and fresh. It was like kind of greasy and everything, so I'm gonna redo it because this style is definitely super cute, but I just gotta wash my hair for it to look better. But that's fine, we can do that. But recently I have found out like the real benefits of lemon water, because like I knew it was good for you and everything, but I didn't know it had that many benefits. So I heard lemon water is good for like losing weight also. Like if you're drinking lemon water a lot, it's good for helping you lose weight, which is kind of common sense. Y'all might have knew that, but I'm letting y'all know if y'all didn't know. And lemon water is also very, very healthy for you. I knew it was healthy, but I didn't know it was that healthy. Like lemon water is very, very healthy for you. So I don't know, I just feel like that was very interesting because I used to drink lemon water all the time, but I stopped. But like recently I have been drinking lemon water a lot because girl, the benefits, like we're trying to get all the benefits out of it. So yeah, so guys, I think I'm gonna do a workout with me video at the gym later. So if y'all did not go check that out already, if it's not uploaded, and check that video out, because y'all can see like my little workout routine and everything, and maybe it'll help y'all if you like go ahead and try it out. I don't know, I'm not guaranteeing that it's gonna help you because I ain't no workout specialist or nothing, but you know, it might help to just try. But yeah, that is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share this video with your friends, family, everybody. Comment down below, let me know what you shared the video, and you'll be entered for the giveaway that I'll be doing very soon. And who wouldn't want free stuff? Like, and I'm gonna be giving away some good stuff, y'all. So go ahead and click that share button, because why not? Let me know if you shared the video. And y'all, please click that subscribe button. We are so close to 10k, like so close to 10k. I think we're at like 8.5k. okay, we're like 1,000 away. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we are so close to 10k. Love y'all so much. And also, I got some big things coming. I'm gonna give y'all a little spoiler alert, but I'm gonna be selling some things. I don't know, I ain't gonna say too much yet. I ain't gonna say too much, but just know I'm gonna start selling some products, you know, some girly products and everything. Not a guarantee yet because I don't know what's gonna go on, but I guarantee you I'm probably gonna sell some products and everything. So yeah, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I got some big things coming for y'all. And once we hit 10k, okay, once we hit 10k, it's up from here. Like, it's up, okay? So give me some 10k, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.